Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ertress. Thanks so much for being here. You guys are awesome. So in today's video, it's all about the aloe vera juice. I leave it in my hair for 24 hours and trust me, the result is amazing. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare the aloe vera for my hair. And before I cut into it, I always cut off the pointy edges first. And let me just say, I got these aloe vera from my backyard. I have aloe vera for days, okay? For days. And you know, aloe vera is the one thing I can turn to whenever I'm having problems with my hair or my skin because it never disappoints, okay? Never. So what I'm doing now, I'm just using a spoon to scoop up the gel. For me, I think it's easier, like you get more from it. So that's why I like using the spoon to do this part. So now I'm going to transfer this to my magic bullet and I'm going to blend it for a minute or two. So yeah. Let me just say I totally forgot to strain it, and for that it will leave back residue in my hair. Normally when I'm doing this method, I always strain it because I don't want any type of residue leave back in my hair. So if you're doing this method, remember to strain it because those green stuff and those stuff that didn't blend out properly, it would definitely leave back in your hair, okay? And trust me, it's not easy to come out. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair is super dry, and trust me, I'm not exaggerating, it's really dry. And also my scalp is itching me a bit, and you know, my hair is just baggy, tangling. It's just a mess right now, and the only thing I can think of to help me out is aloe vera because it never yet failed me. So yeah. So now I'm going to apply the aloe vera juice to my hair. I'm just going to go section by section and apply it throughout the hair. And let me just say, this is not my first time using it. Like, this is like my go-to, you know. Aloe vera takes to my hair so well. It's amazing. Trust me. So, you know, aloe vera is good for a lot of stuff when it comes on to the hair. You know, for one, it cleanses the hair and it also strips any extra stubborn oil and residue from other hair products. It also helps with hair growth and, you know, it moisturizes the hair, and the list goes on and on and on and on. This is why I love this plant so much because, you know, it takes to my hair well. Like, it's one of my favorite things to use in my hair. Like, it's amazing. Like, it's awesome. I love it because it actually works. Okay, so right now I'm just massaging it into my scalp, ensuring that everywhere is fully covered. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit in my hair for 24 hours. Now is around 9 a.m. in the morning, so I'm going to wash it out same time tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to let it air dry and then I'm going to place this bonnet over it. Guys, this is not new to me. This is something I always do to my hair when it comes to aloe vera. Like, the result is going to be awesome. You guys will see. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye for now. So this is actually the next day. I mean, I'm all energized. So this is how my hair is looking, guys. Remember, I was telling you about the residue it will leave. So this is it, because I didn't strain it, it leaves a lot of residue in my hair. So remember, if you're doing it like this, strain it properly, okay? Because I don't want a lot of residue leave back in your hair, because it kind of difficult to come out. It take a while. But you can also cut it and just rub the aloe vera straight onto your hair. Sometimes I do it like that, sometimes I do it like this. So what I'm doing right now is shampoo and conditioning my hair. So yeah, basically that's it. Okay, guys, so this is how my hair is looking after the 24-hour treatment with the aloe vera juice. I mean, my hair feels so good, like it feels so smooth, so moisturized. And as you guys can see, like, look at the sheen. Look at the sheen. Like, it's amazing. And also, let me add, I have no products in my hair, absolutely none. I only shampoo and condition my hair, and that's it. Like, this is how my hair looks after I did all that. My hair feels super soft. I'm so in love. So this actually works. I am so in love, guys, trust me. So this is a before and after video of my hair, and look at that, guys. Look at the difference. This is amazing. The after, my hair feels so soft, and the before, my hair was so dry, like super dry.